Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to build a navigation to switch between your screens. Create your buttons. In this example, we will have 3 screens, so we need 3 buttons to navigate between them. Let's create the script. Add a new function and call it navigation. Add a new number parameter and call it button number. Open the button script of the first button, run the navigation script and set the parameter button number to the number of the button in the navigation. Do the same for the remaining buttons. Duplicate your screen 2 times to create the remaining screens. Open the navigation script and create an if statement. If the button number parameter is equal to 1, show the first screen. Add 2 more if statements by pressing the plus icon of the code block and repeat the step with the remaining buttons. Format your buttons to show the button as active on the correct screen. Test your navigation in the preview. In the video description, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.